a beauty we don't get to see too often. Just in it, unique, specialty, and classics. It's a 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix two-door hardtop or sport coupe. Era correct, 389 V8 underneath the hood. Suffix code of 26K. So that would have been produced in a automatic car with AC, and this car is equipped with both. So era correct, 389 V8 paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the stacked headlights, chrome bumpers, Grand Prix grille. Good looking front end in these cars. As far as paint combination, this would have originally been a silver mist gray with starlight black, so D-A paint code. Black interior bucket seat car with center console. That's still the way it's set up. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. You're going to be able to see the data tag, the VIN tag, underneath the hood, the interior, the engine bay, the undersides, the trunk. This car pictured from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the 8-lug wheels. White wall tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. This is one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And you don't see a ton of these. Kind of fun to have a car where you don't park next to 12 others just like it, next to it. There's that black vinyl seats. Again, buckets up front, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. Let's hear it run. A pretty stock looking interior. Now you can see as far as the roof on it now, it's kind of a medium gray, so you can have the silver, lighter gray, silver, and then kind of a medium gray two-tone. So nice, rich looking combination on a Grand Prix especially. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This is a power antenna, by the way, and that power antenna is working. Slip around to the rear so you can see the chrome on the bumper. Dual exhaust, as you can also see. Once again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, all of it. And if you're into, mid-60s Pontiacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded of these vehicles, the vehicles are available to purchase on our website and or right off our showroom floor. You can also see that the driver's side paint, everything in as nice a shape as the passenger side. This car looks as good in person as it does in the pictures, no doubt about that. Some recent service work done to this one. Did have a recent coolant flush, just so you know. And let's go ahead and take a little closer peek at the interior. A little closer look at the interior, so you can see door panels. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes as far as the interior. Seating surfaces up front, nice shape. See seat belts intact up front. Both the headliner intact. All right. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Remember, 389, error correct. Battery gauge, movement there, came up. Like fuel gauge. Now I mentioned the power antenna does work. That's a switch right here for up. Move that to the left and the power antenna will go up. I'll show you that. I have not had radio power up. We do have a manifold vacuum gauge down there. Top of the dash. Looks good. Like I said, the The dash looks very stock. Factory AC car, remember? Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back here so you can hear it run. And you can also see the antenna all the way up. So power antenna is working. Did want to point out up in the front, it's kind of tough to see it, but you can see where there's been a little work, kind of a dinger or something worked out right there. Nothing terrible, just kind of wanted to point it out. Kind of tough to notice unless you're looking real close. And you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I'm going to pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and stick around to the very end of this video. Remember, we're going to take this car for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And how about that engine bay? There it is. Era correct. 389. 4-barrel car, power steering, power brakes, AC. Appears that the majority of the components, if not all of them, looks like everything's here for the AC. Pretty stock looking engine bay too. Has had an aluminum radiator added along the way. Man, this will be a fun car. No doubt. 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix Sport Coupe, or 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Nicely equipped vehicle too, right from the factory. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a car a lot of people are looking for, 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix. This is the car with the large Pontiac bolt pattern on the wheels. And a beautiful, kind of a silver pewter color with black interior. 2 bucket seats in this car. Automatic on the center console, so it is easy to drive. Both our turn signals function on this car. Plenty of torque and power, gets up to speed easily. Great looking center console with ashtrays, storage, vacuum gauge. I've not seen the vacuum gauge move. The battery gauge is reading that we are charging. The fuel gauge is reading 1/4 of a tank. If I push the de-ice button on this awesome HVAC system, it does turn the blower motor on, and this is just the coolest. Dial the wheel and it spins from cool to warm, blue and red indicators. Smooth running car, nice and smooth down the highway. Loving the steering wheel too. We got some clear acrylic or whatever awesome material they used in 1964. You tell us. The clear steering wheel with the steel inside. Great design. Clock in the dash as well. Now that's not moving, but having the clock feature, that's another option. This corner's as you'd expect for a 64 Pontiac. Push the throttle down, it kicks down nicely. And there is an impressive amount of torque in that motor coming out. Speedometer working well. Very comfortable. Great design to this Grand Prix. Check out all the pictures and learn about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.